Everything the internet told you about selling digital products is wrong. You don't need paid ads, you don't need a huge audience, and you don't need a complicated, expensive website or funnel or some massive personal brand. And you definitely do not need to spend 6 months building some massive, complicated course that nobody asked for. What you actually need is one simple system. And the one I'm about to show you is the same system that my students and I are using to make our first few sales within weeks or even days using only free tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and a few free other ones I'll be breaking down today. Now, stay with me to the end because I'm going to show you the single most important piece of this entire system, the piece that determines whether your digital products actually sell or sit there collecting dust, like 95% of the products that people build. My name is Richard, and 7 years ago, I was a pre-med student at UCLA, about 6 figures in student debt, while folding burritos for minimum wage at a fast food chain, probably one that you like going to. And I built a simple productivity course, a product that did $500,000 in sales in 8 months at about a 90% profit margin. And that's what let me walk away from medical school and build what is now a $32 million digital product empire with over 3,000 students with their lives changed forever. And this isn't for chasing views. This is for operators, people that want to truly build businesses that change lives. So that's you. Keep watching. Now, I want to make one thing very clear before we go any further. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This takes hard work. And newsflash, every business does. But the reason I teach this specific business model is because it's the simplest, most profitable and scalable way that I've ever seen someone to use to go from zero to a real online income. And I've watched it work in quite literally every imaginable niche possible. Lila made a digital marketing course completely faceless, did $12,000 in 12 weeks with less than 1,000 followers. Priscilla built a faith-based business from her phone that did over $300,000 in sales in her first year. Sean, a full-time nurse, did $105,000 in less than 4 months on a relationship course. And Lucas, a 19-year-old, made $31,000 in 40 days with a video game course. Now, to be clear, these results are not typical. These people worked really hard and they showed up, but they proved that this system works regardless of the niche, regardless of your age and your starting point or your background. Now, where most people go wrong is they try to sell digital products online and they think that means complicated websites, filming some massive professional course and renting out a studio, buying expensive camera equipment, running expensive ads, or posting every single day, all day on every platform on the content hamster wheel. None of that is necessary. In fact, that's exactly what keeps most people stuck. They spend 6 months building the perfect products and then they never sell a single copy because the product was never the problem. Distribution, in other words, getting views, attention, that was the problem. The model I'm going to show you is going to be the complete flipped opposite. It's simple, it's fast, it's free tools, it's built so that you can focus on the one thing that actually moves the needle forward. So here's the actual system. Step 1, content. Step 2, link in bio. Step 3, done for you product page. That's it. That's the entire model. So let me break down this step by step. Step 1 is going to be content. You create short, simple content related to your digital product. This could be a 7-second Instagram reel, a TikTok video, a YouTube short, a Facebook post. The goal is simple. Bring awareness to a problem that your product solves and position your product as the obvious solution. Now, here's the thing that most people miss. You don't have to show your face. Some of my best performing students run completely faceless accounts. Blurred faces, screen recordings, AI avatars, text overlays, that's it. Step 2, link in bio. Everything your content does is point people to one single place, the link in your bio. And free tools with this basic link page do the entire job for you. And step 3 is a done for you product page. This is where the sale actually happens. Your link takes them to a product page that already has a sales copy, the checkout, and the delivery system built in. And if they buy, you earn a commission automatically. That's the system. Content, link, product page, no cold calls, no sale pitches, no email list to build on day one, and no complicated funnels to construct. This is how my top students and I are building real digital product businesses from scratch. And we'll come back to one of them in just a minute here. Now, when it comes to the digital product itself, you actually have 2 paths here. And one of them is 10 times faster than the other path. Path 1 is you can build your own simple digital product. That's if you have an idea, you have something you're passionate about. And this is the path a lot of people assume is required. It's actually not, and more on that in a second. But the best digital products for beginners are not massive courses. They're just simple PDFs that solve one specific problem, like a template pack, a checklist, a guide, and mini workshop. And if you already have expertise in one niche, like finance, fitness, faith, parenting, anything, this path works really well. So just pick one problem, solve it with a simple product, and then sell it. But here's the catch. Building even a simple product takes time. You can use AI for writing the PDF, designing the pages, setting up the sales page, building the checkout, writing the emails, testing the delivery. Even with that, there's a chance that the product just never converts, which is why most of my fastest winning students, they do not take path 1. They take path 2 instead. Path 2 skips the creation process entirely. You see, instead of building a product from scratch, you promote a done-for-you digital product on a marketplace like Allen.store or Digistore. These are products that are already built, the sales pages that are already written, and the checkout is already handled. Delivery is already automated, and you just simply pick a product that fits your niche, you make content around it, you send people to the link, and you earn a commission on every single sale. Typically 50 to 90%, sometimes even 100%. If you're wondering how is 100% even possible, it's because these businesses are actually willing to take a loss and give you 100% of the sale, which means, yes, they don't make money. In fact, they lose money, but they know their numbers. They know how much money they make on the back end, which is why they're so generous. There's no product to build, there's no sales page to write, there's no checkouts to set up, and there's no customer service to run. Your only job is distribution, meaning getting views. And this changes the math completely. Because instead of spending 6 weeks building a product before you can test whether the market wants it, you can be sending traffic to a proven product by the end of this week. This is exactly how my top student Lila does it. She's a grad student living in a dorm room, 900 followers, she never shows her face, and in just a few months, she's done over $12,000 in total sales. And on one of her days, she even made $900 in 7 minutes. Listen to her.
So today I've made over $12,000 in total sales. I made like $900 one day in like 7 minutes. I made 800 another day. So it's just been absolutely crazy.
Not because she's some genius copywriter, not because she went viral, but because she found a proven done-for-you product, pointed content at it, and then she just let the system do the rest. This is the part most people miss. You don't need to build a product in order to sell digital products. You need a system to distribute proven products. Now, another thing people get wrong is that they think you need expensive software in order to run this business. You don't. This entire thing runs on 4 free tools. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. This is your unfair advantage. Most people use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. That's amateur level usage. The actual move is to feed it to your niche, your target audience, and your product, and have it write 30 days of short form video scripts for you in an afternoon. Product ideas, content outlines, captions, sales psychology, all done. Free to start. The most powerful tool on this list by a wide margin. Tool number 2 is Canva. If you take path 1 and you build your own product, Canva is where you build it. PDFs, ebooks, templates, checklists, all in one place, completely free. Drag and drop. The same tool that professional designers charge $2,000 for PDF design, you're using to build yours in 2 hours or less. Tool number 3, Google Drive. This is your storage and your delivery system. PDFs, video courses, template packs stored and delivered from Google Drive for free. And here's the overlooked part. When a customer buys, all you need to do is send them a Google Drive link. That's the entire delivery infrastructure that most people think they need some $200, $300 a month CRM or software for. Tool number 4, System.io. If you take path 1, this is what runs your funnel, your email list, your checkout, and your product delivery all in one platform. Genuinely free up to 2,000 subscribers. One platform places the 4 or 5 tools that most gurus try to sell you. And if you take path 2, the done-for-you product path, you don't even need this 4th tool because the product page, checkout, and delivery are already built for you. That's the entire reason path 2 is faster. Quick note, if you want to eventually scale into building your own products at high speed, there are actually advanced tools like Allen AI that can compress the build process significantly, but you don't need it to start. The free stack is enough. Now, how do you actually get traffic without running ads? Here's the counterintuitive answer. The smaller you are right now, the fewer followers you have, the better position you are for success. Because Meta, the company that owns Instagram, spends billions of dollars every single year building an AI algorithm that decides which accounts get seen. And right now, it turns out that the algorithm actively favors new and faceless accounts way more than bigger accounts. And the reason why is simple. Instagram wants more creators on the platform, and so brand new accounts get pushed harder and get more for views than established ones, which means if you've never made content before, you're not behind, you're actually ahead. The play is really simple. 7 to 15 second videos that speak directly to the problem that your product solves. 1,000 views equals 1,000 potential buyers. You do not need to go viral, and you don't need 1 million followers. Lila had 900 followers when she did $900 in 7 minutes. You just need to post consistently and send people to one link. Now here's the piece that I promised you at the beginning of this video. The thing that most people get wrong. Most people obsess over the product. They spend months building the perfect niche, designing the perfect PDF, rewriting the perfect sales page, tweaking the perfect color scheme on the perfect checkout button. And then they post 3 videos, they don't see immediate sales, and then they quit. Here's what I've watched 3,000 students figure out, usually the hard way. The business isn't the product. The business is the distribution. Think about it this way. There are thousands of people right now sitting on half-built courses on their laptops. The product is great. The PDF is polished, and the logo looks good, and not a single person has ever bought it. Now, why is that? Because no one has ever seen it. Meanwhile, top students of mine like Lila, Priscilla, Sean, they're literally selling other people's products with a few hundred followers, doing this on their phone in their bedroom, faceless, and Lila made $900 in 7 minutes because she's not building a product. She's running distribution. Your problem, whether you build it or you're promoting a done-for-you product that another company made, that's just a deliverable. What actually makes the money is the system that gets it in front of people who already want it. That's why the free tools work. That's why simple products win. That's why faceless accounts beat polished personal brands. The operators who win in this model, they don't have better products. They have simpler systems that they can run every single day. They treat distribution as the business and the product as a deliverable. And once you internalize that, once you stop fixating on the product and start fixating on the system, the entire game changes. So here's the best way to sell digital products online simplified. Pick one path, either create a simple digital product that solves a specific problem, or skip the creation entirely and promote a done-for-you product from a marketplace like Ellen Store. And then use the free tool stack. ChatGPT, Canva, Google Drive, System.io if you need it. Send that content to one link. Let the done-for-you product page or a simple product close the sale. And then do it again the next day and the next day and the next day. That's the system. That's the entire thing. Now, everything I just walk you through is the foundation, the simple version, enough to get you started today. But if you're serious about this and you're the type of person who wants to run this like an actual real business and not just a hobby, there's one thing that I did not have enough time to cover in this video, and it's the one thing that separates my students doing $500 a month from people doing $50,000 a month. I break it down in a step-by-step training right here, and it shows you the exact content formulas that my top students and I are using to get their first sale in the next few days, the specific done-for-you product categories that are paying the highest commissions right now, and the full breakdown of how I turn one productivity course into a $32 million digital product empire. It's the next step. It's free. The link is right here. It's also going to be the first link in the description, and I want you to watch this right now. So tab right here, watch it next, and I'll see you on the other side.